age of 14. I got hooked when a friend of mine took me on her catamaran up on Lake George. And ever since that time, that was it. It took one time and I was hooked. If you fall in love with it, you can't get it out of your system. What I love about it is that it's fun and it's informal. And that's what is so amazing about this club and the people. You would never know what any of us do professionally, and it doesn't even matter because we're all here on the water enjoying our time together, and that's the beauty of it. I mean, the Hudson itself is such a treasure and is so majestic. And here we are out on it, and you have the sun, you have all of the best of nature, all of the stresses and strains, everything just flows out of you. It's just, I mean, it's amazing. So this is my daughter, Christy, this one standing over there. The fact that sailing is an activity that we do together is something that is just so amazing to me, because there's nothing better as far as bonding than to be on a boat together and to enjoy all of nature together sailing. It's fantastic.